Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we are featuring a 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This one is presented in Billiard Blue. Very unique color. We'll start at the back. As you can see, it's got the stretched bags and the Street Glide rear fender. This is a Canadian version, so it has the tail light. The bottom tri-bar is not hooked up, but you can easily get that hooked up, so you have some extra lighting. The red ones on the saddlebags are reflectors. So this model here comes blacked out, as a special did in 2019. It has some upgrades with the removable backrest. It's the quick easy connect, so it will come off in seconds and on in seconds. So that can easily be removed if you like that kind of stripped down look. It also has the Harley docking hardware that you need for that. This one also has the Mustang Daytripper seats in diamond stitching. So this one can be removed, so you can ride this front one solo for an even more stripped down look. Just scrolling down here, you can see it's got the Harley stretch bags, so it does have a little bit of extra storage there. I will open that up just so you can see. Here you got your storage here. It has a little bit extra storage because it is a stretch bag. This one also has a stage 1 kit. In here is the Screaming Eagle street race tuner, so that is installed on the bike. You have your Harley owner's manuals, and these bags do come off. All you have to do is twist these two knobs and it will pull on and off, so you can access that rear wheel of the bike on both sides. Down here you can see it's got the blacked out foot pegs for the passenger. You can see it's got the blacked out finishes, your cam cover, and your black motor here. It is a 114 cubic inch motor that came standard for the Street Glide specials this year. It's got the Screaming Eagle air cleaner. As you can see there, it's got the exposed air element. That is an upgrade with the stage 1. Also with the stage 1 is the exhaust, so it has slip-on mufflers. It's got the black crash bars, and it's got the Harley Talon Wheels. It's got a 19-inch rim in the front and an 18-inch in the rear. Gives it a nice sleek look. You can see it's got the blacked out forks, halogen headlight. It has the air vent as they changed it in 2014. It's also got the windshield trim there. That was an added piece. There's your Street Glide windshield. It's got some Harley upgraded grips, feel nice and sticky. I'm gonna go ahead and swing over here. Here's your console, nice and black. It's got the 2019, give you the new Harley stereo. Here's your fuel gauge. There's your mileage, 1,523 kilometers on this bike, so very low kilometers for this bike here. There's your RPMs and then your battery voltage. Just go and show you here. You have your radio controls here. On this side here, so you got your music, you got your nav, and then you can hook up your phone if you want to use that. So there's your nav system there. And it's also Gorilla Glass, so it's nice and easy to use. You can use it with your gloves even. Here we have a storage compartment with a USB port. You can plug in your phone, listen to music that way as well, and your speaker system. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this one up for you guys. So it's got Vance Hines pipes on it. It's loud. It's louder than stock, but not a whole lot louder. So I'll give you a crank up for you guys here. Sounds like a Harley. Okay, we'll go around. Keep continuing here. There's your front view with your headlight. Oh, there's the wheel turning on me. That blue is stunning. There's your 114 engine cover. I should also mention on the front brakes, you got your Brembo brakes on dual disc brakes. That's factory. Then you got those black axle nut covers to make it look a little more finished off. Black horn cover. And then here we are with the Vance Hines slip-ons. Sounds nice. It's even got a different end cap, so it gives it a little custom feel. So here we have it, guys. The 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special in Billiard Blue. This is available at munromotors.com. Come have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.